Today, more than ever, we expect instant connectivity to the people and things that matter to us. The average American adult spends 3 hours per day on a smartphone, and we only seem to feel comfortable in spaces where information and productivity is directly at our fingertips. Today, our productivity is directly tied to our connectivity. It is estimated that 80% of all wireless data originates inside buildings, where cellular signals from the outdoor mobile carriers don't penetrate well. Not surprisingly, according to a 2015 CommScope study, wireless networks, like carrier-approved neutral host distributed antenna systems, DAS, increase property values significantly. Fast DAS turnkey solutions give properties an edge over rivals. Not only do we efficiently deliver a massive amount of licensed bandwidth to end users, but we also deliver the most bandwidth per dollar invested, hence the best ROI. To do this, we bring together national spectrum operators Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile to engineer, implement, and obtain signal sources for our DAS. Our services include RF engineering, network installation, network management, consulting, and more. We've engineered hundreds of DAS across the nation. Our wireless solutions maximize occupancy levels at client properties. Our clients range from mobile operators to building owners, system integrators to real estate investment trusts, hotels and hospitality to airport and metro authorities, universities and large college campuses to stadiums, institutional investors, convention centers, hospitals, and really any large property that would benefit from reliable indoor-outdoor wireless connectivity. Do you have questions or want a custom quotation? Contact us at info@fastdas.com.